Riri kaunti ya Nyandarua rungu rwa utongoria wa Governor Francis Kimemia irathi na mbere gukorwo ikiarira mitaratara ya kwandura magetha ma arimi na maria maumite thiini wa kaunti ino. Thirikari ino ni ithundurite ruhonge rwa mwanya rwa memba atano na ruria ruri na kibarua gia kunyitithania onjoria kiumbe na indo iria ciumaga thiini wa kaunti ino. Muoroto munene ari ni uria wa kwambatiria utonga wa kaunti o undu umwe na wa aikari ya kaunti ino.
Joyce Muthoni Nderitu having been appointed.
Akiaria thutha wa kuruguria ruhonge ruru, Governor Francis Kimemia ni augite atunganite ikinya riri niguo gukorwo akihingura mweke wa kunyitithania o undu umwe na gucaria thoko cia magetha maria maumaga thiini wa kaunti ino yake.
Able to add value kwa maisha ya watu wetu. Tumeongeza bei ya maziwa, tumeongeza bei ya viazi. Are we enforcing the 50 kg rule? Are we able to increase markets? Are we able to get markets outside? I'm happy when you talked about the international models also coming here, so that we can link market, markets. We can link markets so that we're able to export our foods, even direct.
Makiria mao Governor uyu ni augite ruhonge ruru ni rugukorwo na kibarua ya gucarania na mieke iria nginyagia riu itari irahutio igie uigithia thiini wa kaunti ino ya Nyandarua na iria ikihota gukorwo ikirurumura utonga wa kaunti ino ro undu umwe na wa muingi.
Part of your core mandates to promote trade development, coordinate investments, advise on policies, programs, plans adopted in order to promote trade and investment in the county, aid expansion of existing economic and industrial ventures within the county, to facilitate accelerated growth of existing economic and industrial ventures through provision of capital or knowledge or both, undertake investment initiative in the county with a business or socio-economic purpose.
Ruhonge ruru na ruria ruri rungu rwa utongoria wa Maina Gitura gukwa gicithirio ni Mary Nyambura, James Mwai, Joyce Nderitu na James Gicuhi ruhinyiriirio kuha igithia waki wa iganda ta iria cia irio undu umwe na waru thiini wa kaunti ino niguo kuhotithia arimi kugia na thoko ya magetha hakuhi nao.
Facilitate investors from within or outside the county, very important. Facilitating investors from within the county and also outside the county and the country, even outside the country, to establish investments in the county.
Mwena-ini wake muikariri giti wa bodi ya aruti a wira thiini wa kaunti ya Nyandarua niwe William Mugatehi ni urite ruhonge ruru thingatane na ukinyaniria wa muoroto waruo niguo gukorwo rugikinyaniria wambatiria wa utonga wa kaunti no undu umwe na muingi waguo.
Point out to you that you need in the first instance to develop a board work plan for all the boards, or for any board that is geared to achieving results. In the first instance, you should have a board work plan that informs the activities that you need to undertake, and also develop what we call the RRI, the Rapid Resort Initiative, within 100 days of your office.
Akihutia ciigie tauni ya Nyandarua na iria ikoretwo iri gitumiro kia ngarari cia yagiriire gukorwo iri thiini wa kaunti iriku gatigati ga kaunti ya Nyandarua undu umwe na iria ya Laikipia. Governor Kimemia ni okiriire bara cia atongoria kaunti ino na iria augite nicio ciacungiririe tauni ino gukorwo igitunyukithio kaunti yake ona thengia gukorwo muingi wa kaunti ino niguo igithitie na njira nene muno makiria thiini wa mucii wa Nyahururu na uria ukoragwo na utonga munene oro mwaka.
We must share the revenue, at least to start with. Your revenue, you must to share that revenue with Nyandarua County. Na wakati viongozi wetu walikuwa wamelala, tauni yetu tukuta imeibua, imepelekwa wakati wa Rift Valley, watu wakipigana tu hapa ovyo ovyo. Mali tauni inaibua tauni mzima. Inaibua na mnalala mnaangalia tu na tauni inaenda. Na sio tauni sio baiskeli inaibua ama kana mufara wa ihe. Tauni kayogu watu meroreire, mufara wa ihe na gathie na besha igathie, then we are left with nothing, not even resources. We are not even, and hiyo tax yote ni watu ya Nyandarua County. Hiyo ni theft. Hiyo ni wizi ya mali ya county ingine, and it is not acceptable.
Gikuyu TV kuma kaunti-ini ya Nyandarua. Njita Kamau wa Nyaguthie.